All right, today's project is changing some diff fluid. Place a drain pan underneath the drain plug found here, and this is the fill plug right here. 24mm socket. Now once all the fluid's done, put your plug back in. You can replace the washers that are on it, but mine are good, so I'm not doing it this time around. Snug it down for now. Now it's time to fill. I got these easy fill packs. This happens to be the AMSOIL, and you'll notice it's 75W90 when the 4runner is actually supposed to have 7585, but you can do 90. AMSOIL is a great brand. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I choose to put that as my oil and my diff fluid. So all you do, stick this little end in the fill and squeeze. Now this should be my last bag. You should have 2.8 quarts if you have no locker. If you do have a locker, you have more. So each one of these bags is a quart, so just about all three of them will do the job. I'll know it's full when it starts to spill out. Just like that. And I'll just verify. Both should be 36 foot-pounds, and then you're done.